Ever wondered how your favorite peanut butter is made? Today, we're on an exciting journey from peanut seeds to the creamy spread in your jar. Get ready to uncover the secrets of peanut butter making. All this and more, right here on How It's Manufactured. Our journey into the making of peanut butter begins in the tranquility of the fields, with the planting of a tiny, yet promising, peanut seed. Farmers meticulously plant these seeds in well-prepared, nutrient-rich soil, marking the very first step in our peanuts' journey to your jar. As these seeds are gently nestled into the earth, they hold within them the promise of future harvests. In this vital phase, the right balance of sun, water, and care is crucial for the seeds to start their journey towards becoming the peanut plants we know. As the peanut plants mature, they enter a fascinating phase unique to their species. The flowers of the peanut plant, after pollination, begin a process called Geocarpy. This extraordinary phenomenon involves the flower stalks elongating and bending towards the ground, burying the fertilized ovaries underground. It's here, in the nurturing embrace of the earth, that the peanuts actually develop and grow. Underground, shielded from the sun, the peanut kernels mature inside their protective shells. This subterranean development is a natural marvel, setting peanuts apart from most other nut-producing plants. In this hidden, dark environment, the kernels swell and fill the pods, their growth fueled by the nutrients and moisture absorbed from the soil. This underground phase is crucial, as it determines the quality and quantity of the peanut yield. It's a time of growth and transformation, unseen yet vital. After the crucial growth phase, the peanut plants reach maturity. Around 4 to 5 months after planting, it's time to harvest. This is where things get really fascinating. Farmers use specialized machinery to uproot the entire plant, shaking off the excess soil and leaving the peanuts attached to their bushy stalks. These plants are then left in the field to dry for several days, a process vital for reducing the moisture content of the peanuts and preparing them for the next big step. Once dried, the peanuts are separated from their vines. This is typically done using mechanical threshers, which efficiently remove the peanuts, ensuring minimal damage to the kernels. It's a delicate balance. Too much force can crack the peanuts, too little, and they remain attached to the vines. The separated peanuts are then cleaned, removing dirt, vines, and leaves, leaving behind just the pure, raw peanuts ready for the next transformation. After the harvesting, the next critical phase is transporting the peanuts to a shelling facility. Here, the harvested peanuts, still in their shells, are carefully transported to avoid any damage that could affect the quality. Once at the facility, the peanuts are unloaded and prepared for the shelling process. This phase is crucial as it involves separating the peanut kernels from their shells. The shelling process is typically done mechanically, using machines that apply just enough force to crack the shells without damaging the peanuts inside. It's a delicate balance. Too much force, and the peanuts are crushed. Too little, and the shells won't break. This process is continually monitored to ensure the highest quality of peanuts for the next stages of production. After shelling, the peanuts are sorted to remove any shell fragments or imperfect peanuts. This sorting is vital to ensure only the best quality peanuts proceed further in the production line. The sorted peanuts are then cleaned and inspected before moving on to the next stage of becoming delicious peanut butter. white to light brown. Once roasted, the peanuts are immediately transferred to a cooling unit. Here, powerful suction fans rapidly cool them to room temperature. This swift action is crucial. It stops the cooking process and preserves the peanuts' essential oils. Next, the peanuts encounter the blancher. This machine skillfully removes the outer skins through friction between rubber belts. It also splits the kernels and removes the peanut hearts, which can impart a bitter taste. They are ground into a paste. At this point, additional ingredients are added: salt, sugar, or another natural sweetener, and a small amount of hydrogenated vegetable oil. This oil serves as a stabilizer, preventing the peanut oil from separating and rising to the top of the jar. Contrary to what one might think, peanut butter does not contain artificial colors, sweeteners, or preservatives. Remarkably, it doesn't require refrigeration. The mixture has now heated to around 60 degrees Celsius due to the grinding process and is subsequently cooled down to 38 degrees in a cooling system. Peanut butter's nutritional profile is impressive. Finally, the peanut butter is jarred. The jars are capped. Each jar is then marked with production and expiration dates. Unopened, these jars of peanut butter can remain fresh for up to a year. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite brand of peanut butter? If you haven't already liked and subscribed, please consider it, as it helps us grow this channel. Check out this video or playlist next.